A potato doesn't seem like much when it first comes out of the ground. But with a little love, it becomes the most delicious thing in the world. When I was young, potatoes were a luxury. Back then, my parents could not afford to give us tiffin money, let alone school books. But a lack of money never stood in the way of my parents' love for us. Instead, my father would use our neighbor's old typewriter to copy out a borrowed textbook just so I could have one of my own. Then one day, my life unexpectedly changed course. I was put up for a scholarship by my teacher, which allowed me to embark on my A-level studies. After finishing school, I was even accepted into the University of Singapore. All that was left was the government bursary that I needed to subsidize the fees. The rules, however, stated that only one bursary was allowed per family. Because my sister had already received hers, my dreams were brought to a halt. At that moment, I knew I had just one last hope: to reach out to the man who had given me my earlier scholarship, Tan Sri Dr. Tan Chin Tuan. It was a long shot, but with his generosity, I once again received the opportunity to further my studies. Still, what left the deepest impression on me was not the monetary support, but Tan Sri Dr. Tan's generosity of time. No matter how busy he was, he always found the opportunity to mentor young students like me, even introducing us by name to business leaders and industry captains. We continued to keep in touch even after I graduated. I would send Christmas cards, which he would personally thank me for, and he even took an interest in my first steps into the working world.
I owe my success to the mentorship of Tan Sri Dr. Tan and the sacrifice of my parents. The transformative power of education has changed not just my life, but the lives of thousands of students. Through the establishment of a bursary fund of my own, I have the opportunity to pay it forward to the next generation and beyond.